As 34 of the 47 county chiefs converged at Movenpick Hotel in Westlands on Monday to pick a new leadership for the Council of Governors, the absence of Kwale Governor Salim Vuria could have largely gone unnoticed.
Thank you so much.
At least until Senate Speaker Kenneth Lusaka announced who the governors had elected new chair.
What is going around is fake news and rumors. The chairperson is His Excellency Wycliffe Ambassador Oparanya.
According to me, we did not have to go for elections. The Council of Governors in 2017 pronounced itself. I think you have the clips, and there was supposed to be transition.
The said transition relates to a 2017 gentleman's agreement between Vuria and his colleagues, extending the tenure of outgoing chair and Turkana Governor Josephat Nanok by 6 months, after which he was to hand over to the Kwale governor to be deputized by Kirinyagas Anne Waiguru. The deal, at the time endorsed by the Jubilee leadership, including President Uhuru Kenyatta, was largely informed by the clamor to prevent likely fallout. As at the time, the opposition's resistance campaign against Kenyatta's re-election was at a fever pitch. 3 months later, however, the tables seemingly turned on Vuria, a close ally of Deputy President William Ruto, after opposition chief Raila Odinga struck a cooperation deal with President Kenyatta, crystallized in the March 9th handshake. A major political maneuver which insiders say could have contributed to Nanok's failure to relinquish the chairmanship as agreed, citing lack of legal framework for the transition.
Political pacts don't quite stand because of the nature of the game of politics. Politicians are like pirates, like high-level thieves. There is no honor among thieves. You get it?
I'm questioning the integrity of Council of Governors to make a position and vacate its position to take another position.
The last time we were hosted in Kakamega by Governor Oparanya, and now he's the chair of the Council of Governors. I will be hosting this year in Kirinyaga County, the Devolution Conference, and who knows, maybe next year I will be the chair of the council.
Besides accommodating Vuria, who is bitterly opposed to his election, incoming chair Wycliffe Oparanya officially takes over on Monday to a full entree, reviving steam of the council's frontline defense of devolution, which seemingly died soon after its inaugural chair, former Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto's exit.
Wycliffe Ambassador Oparanya is walking into an easily landmine of the devolution, where he will be required to most likely disagree with national government in some of the things that it is doing that would appear to be clawing back on devolution.
The advantage the current Council of Governors have is that President Uhuru Kenyatta is now in his second term more forthcoming and more forthright on what he wants for Kenyans. It is very clear from what he says that he really wants more of an egalitarian society.
I want to use this early opportunity to give notice to the Treasury that it will not be business as usual, especially when it comes to the flow of funds to the counties.
Oparanya, a long-serving government technocrat with 2022 presidential ambitions, will be deputized by Murang'a Governor Mwangi Wairia. Unlike Oparanya, who is known for a largely diplomatic political demeanor, Wairia has previously been at loggerheads with the national government, most recently over revenue-sharing formula for water tapped from Murang'a County. Besides the perpetual delayed release of county funds by Treasury, the new COG leadership is expected to play a critical role in ongoing debate for constitutional amendments touching on the devolved units.
The Council will purposely endeavor to drive the referendum discussion by engaging stakeholders.
We pushed for the enactment of a law that would guarantee 45 or 40%, or at the very worst 35% of revenue to go to the counties, and it should be the up-to-date revenues.
If the
governors want devolution to succeed, let them put their priorities right, let them also put their systems right, because what Wajiko was asking for when he voted for this new constitution and voted for devolution was that services would reach Wajiko easily.
Faced with a final term as governor and the headache of how to reposition himself politically post-2022, and now his new mantle as the chair of the Council of Governors, Oparanya no doubt has a full entry as he prepares to take over from Governor Nanok. Murumi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.